Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Hair Viral. I am here today to show you how to add music to TikTok videos. So there are two ways to add music to a video on TikTok. You can either use one of the songs provided by the platform or create your music separately and upload it to the video. Many people rely only on the platform's available music. So let's cover how that works first. So number one, open your TikTok app on your Android or iPhone mobile device. After that, you can see here, click on the plus icon in the bottom center of the screen. Okay, now just record one new video or upload an existing one from your device library. So now I am recording here by tapping this for. Now you will see here I've recorded, and you can see here the button sounds icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just click there. After clicking there, you will see lots of songs in the list. Now select the song you want from the list and make sure to see the full, or you can see if you have clicked my favorites to any videos, you can select from here, or if you need new songs, you can scroll down by here and select the songs which you like. So for now I have just so I have selected, if I want to select this or on this, for now I'll select this and click OK. Okay, now done. I have selected the songs and recorded on video. So finally, just after clicking the check mark red and next, I finally finished, and I can see my preview on the video before posting. So if you are not happy with how the sound turned out, you can start over anytime. So in this way you can keep in private and see, or you can click here and preview. So in this way you can make your sounds in TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.